the challenges we really like to think we're solving on behalf of our customers when it comes to a document management, perspective.
And obviously, cloud storage is a necessity when it comes to modern document management. Now, in that regard, I'm going to ask you what I would probably have to admit is a stupid question. But as we know in education, there are no stupid questions, right?
Absolutely.
So there are no shortage of commercially available cloud-based document storage platforms out there. I use them, you use them. What is the problem with utilizing those kind of platforms for document storage and document management, specifically in the K-12 setting?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, I think what's necessarily wrong with those things, sometimes what you find, and again, this is a little bit state by state based, is they don't actually meet the requirements for what is an acceptable document management system.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of states have some type of requirement around like, hey, you have to have, the ability to set different levels of access, right? That can be kind of hard and complex to manage in, something like a SharePoint or a Google Drive. Those are also just really difficult to manage on an enterprise level, right? When you think about the different document management needs of a school district, they probably need the ability to manage different department documents, different classes of documents, different levels of access and retention rules that are associated with that. So, ultimately having an out-of-the-box solution that is purpose-built for the needs and requirements of a K through 12 school district or school, really, really important. And I think that's something that Scribbles does. The other thing I would say that makes us a little bit unique is that, our value proposition is that from point of entry through enrollment or application, all the way through, matriculation, we create a digital footprint for that student. So, that shows up in things like our online enrollment application integrates with our electronic student cumulative folder so that as students are enrolling, they automatically have a cumulative folder created and have the documents that they went through and needed to add as part of that enrollment process added, automatically to it, right? The other thing I think about is our online records request platform integrates with our online document management solution, which is pretty unique, right? There's no providers that do document management and document request and have an integrated platform to provide that.
And it would definitely make a lot of sense for schools to have those two platforms integrated and talking to each other, so nothing gets lost in translation. That